Hello farmers, welcome to episode 4 of the series on factors affecting egg production in the egg-laying poultry business. Last time we talked about management mistakes. If you didn't watch episodes 1, 2, and 3, the links to the videos are in the description below. Today we will be talking about ectoparasites. An ectoparasite is a parasitic organism that feeds on the exterior of the body of the host. Northern fowl mite. The northern fowl mite, Ornithonosus sylviarum, is the most common of the poultry mites. Northern fowl mites are bloodsuckers and are irritating to poultry. Anemia occurs in heavily parasitized birds, reducing feed efficiency, egg production, and ability to withstand and overcome diseases. Lice. Several species of chewing lice may be found on chickens, especially those in small flocks or on range. Chicken lice feed on dry scales, feathers, or scabs on the skin. As lice crawl over the bird, their mouth parts and sharp claws scratch the skin. The constant irritation causes the bird to become nervous and behave abnormally, causing a general unthriftiness and unkempt appearance in the bird. Egg production in infested flocks may drop as much as 10%, although some heavy infestations have caused egg production to fall as much as 20%. Fleas. Stick-tite fleas are sometimes a severe problem in home flocks and may be difficult to prevent or eradicate. The adult female flea attaches to the skin around the face and head, causing severe irritation and, in some cases, blindness. Endoparasites. An endoparasite is a parasite that lives and feeds inside the host animal. Heavy infestations of endoparasites can cause unthriftiness, poor feed efficiency, poor growth, reduced egg production, and mortality in severe infestations. Infected birds may also be more susceptible to various diseases and stresses. Nematodes. Nematodes, or roundworms, are elongated, cylindrical, unsegmented endoparasites. There are many species of roundworms, each tending to infect a specific area of the gastrointestinal tract. Tapeworms. Tapeworms, cestodes, are white or yellowish ribbon-like segmented flatworms. They vary in size from 0.17 to 12 inches in length. Although tapeworms do not produce extensive lesions or damage to the intestines, they are nutritional competitors. A cestode does not digest its own food. Instead, it anchors itself to the inner wall of the bird's intestines, letting its segmented body dangle in the flow of digested material, absorbing nutrients before they can be utilized by the host. A variety of commercially available anthelmintics will effectively and safely eliminate both nematodes and cestodes from poultry. That is all that we have for you today. See you on episode 5 as we talk more on factors affecting egg production in poultry farming. Diseases. That's all that we have for you today. For more future videos, kindly click the subscribe button. You can also click the links on the description below to visit our website and to watch other farming videos. Thank you for watching.